to address weight and volume constraints. Master X80 utilizes high-strength wood and metal composite packaging for enhanced equipment protection. The Master X80 standard welding machine set mainly consists of a handheld welding host, an ASTRWF00D dual wire feeder. Use a screwdriver and hammer to pry open the 12 metal clasps located on the top of the packaging. Remove the top packaging panel. Remove the 9 metal clasps located on both sides and the bottom surface of the front panel. Remove the front packaging panel. After tearing off the plastic dust-proof film, lift out the device with combined effort. The standard kit for Master X80 handheld welder mainly consists of the welding machine, accessory box, safety glasses, equipment start key, air inlet filter, safety clamping cable, RCI robot control cable, RFI robot feedback cable, HWI handheld welding communication cable. The standard accessories of STRWF00D wire feeder consist of the dual wire feeder, wire feeding wheels, wire feeding control cable, wire feeding spring tube, and power cable of wire feeder. Release the wire feed clasp. Install the wire spool. Thread the welding wire through the feed wheel and secure the wire feed clasp. Lock the wire spool in place. Repeat the same procedure to install the spool on the opposite side. Unscrew the nut at the top of the spring wire feeder tube. Insert the welding wire through the nut. Press the bayonet of the spring wire feeder tube and insert the wire feeding tube. Tighten the nut to secure the wire feeder tube. Repeat the same steps to install the wire feeder tube on the other side. After both wire feeder tubes are installed, connect one end of feeder power cable to the feeder and the other end to mains power. Then activate feeder power supply. Manually feed the welding wire through the spring feed tube. Mount the dual wire holder onto the spring wire feeder tubes. Use an M3*2.5 hex wrench to fasten and secure it. Install the rotating wire feeding fixture. Again, use an M3*2.5 hex wrench for tightening. Install the wire feeding nozzle and fasten it with a wrench. Remove the torch protective cap and install the copper nozzle. Adjust the wire feeding angle and secure it with screws. Align red markers and insert wire feed control cable into feeder. Repeat alignment and connect the other end to welder's feed control port. Loosen safety clamp cable interface nut. Thread safety clamp cable through the nut and tighten securely. Connect 8 mm gas hose using adapter. Insert hose end into welder. Connect other end to gas cylinder. Recommended flow rate is greater than or equal to 1.5 L-min. Connect X80 to 380 industrial power cabinet and activate circuit breaker. Open circuit breaker cover and engage main power switch. Turn equipment start key to on position and await system initialization. Connect safety clamp to workstation to commence welding operations.